Okay guys, so in this video we'll be talking about Airbnb niche, right? So guys, I will show you the proof that this niche is selling like hotcakes. All right, it is selling really good, and I will actually show you some items that is actually selling in this niche so you can jump on and take advantage. Also, you can visit my shop instantwrites.com and you can purchase a PLR Airbnb welcome booklet that you can easily customize and make changes and do all the works. Okay, so you can do all kind of stuff, change it up. If you want, you can sell it like that. All right, just change it to a brand color and sell it. All right, guys, it is easy, very easy to start selling in this digital product niche. I know when I show you these items, you'll be like, well, how do I create it? How do I, but it's pretty easy. And we have ChatGPT, so you can easily use ChatGPT and, just ask ChatGPT for some ideas. I will be hosting a workshop early in September 7th, and showing you how to do research, and also it will give you ideas on how you can use ChatGPT to dig out some product ideas and what should go into your product as well. All right, so if you're interested, guys, sign up below to this workshop. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started in this video. Okay, you guys, so I want to show you this, right? This is a pretty good niche if you want to make some money, and it is the Airbnb welcome book. Okay, so as you can see, I am on eRank, and you will be able to see that the Airbnb welcome book and Airbnb template is definitely in demand. As I said, green means go, and you should start creating these templates. Okay, so now that we are on Etsy, I would like to go through some of these items that are selling very well. Okay, guys, so we have this Airbnb welcome sign for Airbnb hosts, basically. And it's a very simple sign, as you can see. Look at this. It's done in Canva. You can easily go in and make your changes, right? And you can print it out and put it up in your Airbnb apartment for your guests, just to give them a very warm welcome. And the mock-ups here are very good. And if you move down, you can see that this listing was only done February of last year in 2022, and it was sold over 3,000 times, guys. And recently it was sold 9 times. So this is a very lovely little item you can sell if you're targeting Airbnb. If you're selling anything for Airbnb, you can actually have this little thing in your your repertoire of items to sell. Okay, so next we have this little Airbnb welcome book template, guys. So these are pretty good. It's a bestseller and it's been sold for $4.50, as you can see here, and they basically tell you what is in it, as you can see right here, right? And it was actually posted in 2022, May 2022, and it was sold over 1,500 times and 5 times recently. So as you can see, this is a pretty good item. A lot of people are getting back into the Airbnb. No one is under lockdown anymore, so people are traveling, and it is really nice when you travel somewhere, to get a booklet, right, that where you can easily go through and get all the information in one place. Next, we have another booklet template. So this is a template, right, that you can actually purchase and resell in your own store or use as your own. And this is being sold for $4.24, right? And it is being sold for, it was sold 1,300 times and was sold 7 times in the past 7 days. Okay, so this again is a bestseller, as you can see here, and the markups are very good. Next, we have this short-term rental welcome book. As you can see, it is being sold for $9.24, and it's a bundle, right? And it's very detailed, as you can see here. And it comes with a lot of stuff, guys. And this was posted only this year, March of this year, and was already sold over 300 times and 5 times in the past 7 days. Okay, guys, so it really has the potential here. Okay, guys, so we have another bestseller here. It's another short-term rental, and as you can see, this is beautiful. And the mock-up is beautiful, as you can see here. Okay, it's very beautiful, right? And it was listed this year, January of this year, and it was sold over 300 times, 345 times, and 6 times in the past 7 days. So this listing is doing very well. So definitely, guys, as you can see, Airbnb is selling. So if you are looking for PLR templates where you can easily just customize and make your own and start selling today, I am selling my PLR templates to you, and you can use it as your own, or you can resell in your own store. So I do have ebook templates, and I have Airbnb welcome book template, right? So basically, it is very detailed. You can easily, use it and make it your own, restructure it, do what you have to do to make it your own. Okay, and you can sell this over and over and over again. All right, okay, guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. As usual, like and subscribe. All right, and before you go on, I do have some other unsaturated digital product ideas that you would love, so check out the next video.